Hey, it's Eitan. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have my friend Aria in the kitchen with me today.
Hi, everyone.
Have you ever made eggs? Do you know what Eggs Benedict are?
Maybe I should see a picture.
Okay, let me show you a picture. So Eggs Benedict is a classic breakfast dish. So it's basically an English muffin with usually Canadian bacon on it. We're using turkey bacon over here, a poached egg, and a Hollandaise sauce. So you have everything you need in front of you. And I am here to watch. So do you like to get started cooking? And you have all the equipment, like this should be the equipment you need. Obviously you have the whole kitchen to do whatever you need with.
This is for the sauce?
Yes. So
and
feel free to have fun.
When you say poach, do you mean?
I mean poach.
Okay, I'm gonna assume maybe this first and let that melt.
I'm just shocked. This is going way better than I thought. You probably should turn the flame on if you wanted to melt, just approach it.
You're probably right. I'm wondering what I need the water for, but I guess that's for later. Well, maybe I'll open this.
That is correct.
Well, I'm already gonna start by doing this. Unless I have to grill it, which I do have to do.
All right, so we have our vegan butter in here. We have our oil in there.
I'm gonna wait for that to heat up.
Alrighty.
And grab two slices.
So what's your game plan for the sauce? So
for the sauce, I think I'm gonna let this melt down and then add the egg yolks. Maybe add this too.
Do you know what that is?
No.
Just sniff it. You might be able to.
Lemon juice.
Yes, there we go. Well, this is just going great.
I'm still confused as to what the water's for. Okay, now I'm gonna fry these.
Ooh, listen to that sizzle. Sounds good. I am really optimistic that what you're gonna make is gonna be very edible.
I hope so.
Yeah, which is a strong word on this show.
Have you ever made Eggs Benedict before?
I have. I've eaten it, I've made it. I know how to make it correctly. Let's see, let's flip. Ooh, nice and golden brown.
You think?
No, sorry.
I want to say a poach, I'll give it like 5 minutes in the water.
Sure, so I set a timer?
Oh, yeah.
5 minutes?
Actually, make it 3, because it's already been in for like 2.
This vegan butter just does not want to melt.
Yeah, why is it not melting?
I'll keep moving it around for you. No, it does smell good here in the kitchen. It smells really good. I am most excited about that.
By the way, same. I feel
That
like
smells
these
really
are
good.
coming to an end.
All right.
So first we plate the grilled turkey bacon. Now I'm gonna add in my egg yolks to this. And mix it.
Mix it up. You've ever had you've had Hollandaise then before, right?
Have what?
Hollandaise.
Holidays?
Hollandaise.
Hollandaise? No.
It's like a classic sauce.
Never had it.
Oh, well, say it'll be your first time. Well, I mean, you've had Eggs Benedict, so you've had it, but maybe you
Yeah.
didn't know that you had it.
I guess I did have it.
All right, your timer's done.
Okay.
Poached eggs.
So now we have to finish the sauce.
Hey, that looks a little bit on the correct side.
Really?
Yeah.
I feel like I have to beat it for a while now.
Now, what consistency are you going for?
This is weird. I don't like how this is looking right now.
Yeah, I mean,
It's getting chunky.
yeah.
I think I may have overcooked
Should we take it off the
the
flame
yolk.
then?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's put our Hollandaise over there.
Now,
Crack our eggs. I would just give it a harder crack and then,
oh yeah?
yeah.
Oh, that's raw.
Should we quickly fry up some more?
Yeah, let's
Yeah,
do
let's
that.
redo that. Okay, we're gonna do a little, I'll help you with this. You did this correctly. So while you're poaching your egg.
Did I use the right oil?
Yeah,
Doesn't matter.
Does it? Yeah, I would use vegetable oil, but you know, olive oil will physically work. Let's get another English muffin. We are just going to... We're gonna act like that didn't happen. I'm gonna get our English muffin. Did a plate break? No, it didn't. It did not. I didn't do that.
That's so nice you're giving me a redo.
Oh, of course. I wanna set you up to succeed, somewhat.
Thank you.
All right, let's flip our, ooh. This smells so good. All right, so.
Should we get another plate for this?
Yeah, let's get another plate.
Oh, this egg is definitely done.
We have our another plate. I think my favorite
poach
part
another
is
egg.
there's residual cooked egg. All right, we'll do a little redo.
It's a very applesaucey.
Well, that wasn't too hard to remedy, so we're just gonna take this, place it right.
Was that the right placement before?
Yeah. I recommend, just for safety purposes, let's crack the egg into a bowl.
Okay, fine.
And then we'll transfer.
Oh no. Well, I see that it's cooked, so why don't I just...
Sure. Oh, it is hot.
It's really hot.
Yeah, maybe I'll get a little spoon. You could fish it out. Well, I'll tell you this. This egg is cooked.
Oh, that probably separates it from the shell too, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Bone apple teeth.
cool.
Oh yeah, get that back on there. And now you can top with our Hollandaise
Add our
sauce.
It's a little chunkier than I imagined. But
When you make food, you want to make it look good. A little bit of design is you want to pinch on a little bit of cayenne just for color, you know. Finish it off looking good. I mean, that did the trick. Looks beautiful. How do you think you did?
I think I was off to a really good start.
Oh,
And then
100%.
it went down.
Yeah, no, that was,
down
you did a really
really
great
fast.
start. That is 100% sure. Look, I mean, look at it on the camera. It's there. It's trying. Well, I figured, you know, let's split one, you know?
Okay.
I'm a little full right now. I think we're just gonna cut one of these. And then I'm gonna cut this into fourths. I'm really full. You can have that half, I'll take this half. Cheers to
Cheers.
breakfast.
Cheers. It doesn't taste as bad as I thought, but
Don't get me wrong.
I don't think it tastes like it's supposed to taste.
Don't get me wrong, it's bad.
It's bad.
You gotta love try this.
I would love to try it. The Hollandaise
Good luck.
is a stunning piece
Yeah.
of work. Aria.
Consistency.
Texture of an icy, which is
We're going in. I'm going in.
I'm eating this one. You're eating.
Good luck.
Enjoy.
Super duper don't want to eat this.
We're going for it. You know what? A for effort. Let me tell you that.
No.
this is
Not
really
as,
a difficult
it's
thing.
really not as bad as it looks.
I'm gonna eat it. Oh wow.
Oh.
Right, it's bad, but it's
hard
not
to,
as
like,
bad
it's
as you
hard
think.
to chew.
I think maybe the lemon juice curdled the eggs a little
I'm
bit.
actually keeping most of it.
True.
Because I don't
Chipmunk?
intend to eat it.
I'm gonna continue to eat mine.
I'm just gonna
for solidarity
grab walk
purposes.
offset for a second.
And you know what? Good for you. Because that's a really hard thing
Right,
to make.
wait,
You
hear
really
me
tried.
out, hear me
You
out.
killed
I
it.
did try.
Technique-wise,
In the beginning.
she did everything like 20% right.
The double boiler, very proud of
Yeah,
you.
Yeah.
and melting the
Yeah.
butter first, the whole 9 yards. You were really there. I'm excited to see you learn because I feel like you're gonna make this dish at home.
I agree.
Yes, we're gonna
I
clean
will.
up, and now I'm gonna teach Aria how I make Eggs Benedict slightly differently. While we're cleaning, this is just a little reminder, if you haven't already, be sure to pre-order my debut cookbook, Eitan Eats the World. It's available for pre-order everywhere books are sold. Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Books A Million, literally everywhere. And you can find all those links at eitaneatstheworld.com. It's 1285 of my favorite comfort food recipes that I cannot wait to share from my kitchen to yours. All right, let's get cooking. So we have everything back out, and I mean, honestly, what we're doing is not that far off from what you did. So if you want to help out, do you want to grab some of the oil, put it in the pan? We're actually going to use the exact same pan you used, and we're just going to fry up our little turkey. But no, I like to toast my English muffins, and we're just going to get these nice and toasty in here. Toasted and good. So poaching an egg is when you cook the egg out of the shell in the water. You did a little more of like a soft boil. And so we're going to take our 2 eggs here, and now a little trick is you crack your egg into a little strainer, give that a little shake, and then wait. Now the like kind of runnier whites will, they should fall out. Because you're gonna be putting it straight into the water, you don't want it to like get like messy, you know? Just gonna stir this in a circle. This will help keep the whites and everything all together. So just make a whirlpool, and then we're just going to gently place our egg right in there. Now a little trick I learned on TikTok is that you can actually poach multiple eggs at once. I've always thought you can only do one at a time, but TikTok taught me that that's not true. So strain that off, and now let's place our other egg right in there as well. And so that's what poaching it is. And now we're just going to keep that on a very, very light simmer for 3 minutes. You weren't totally wrong about the time. Bacon, well not bacon, turkey bacon right in there. You did that right. Your Hollandaise sauce was a little chunky.
It was.
It was chunky, and the reason is you don't want to overcook the eggs. So the trick is you want to kind of do everything else and then the
Keep your
hollandaise.
focus on it.
Yeah, so you can have like 100% your focus, and the second it's ready, pour it over, and then bam, you're good. Look at that. Look at that poached egg. How pretty is that? Gonna place it right in here, and these actually hold pretty well. We're gonna hot hold these, that's what it's called. They're hot and we're holding them. Now, the way you make hollandaise, it's kind of very tricky. So over here we have a double boiler, so we have water on the bottom, little bowl on top. We're gonna add our egg yolks in here to start with our lemon juice. Let's just get every last little bit of egg yolk. We're gonna whisk that up. And then the trick is I have already melted our vegan butter, and we are then going to slowly stream it in. So I'm just gonna give this like a little, now see how it's like, see how it's kind of like very little at this point?
Yeah.
And so the trick is you want to keep it moving, because if you don't, it'll do what yours happens.
What happens
yeah.
to mine.
So here, why don't you go on this side? I'll go on this side.
Okay.
And I mean, our breakfast is almost ready. As you can see, it is now light, almost like my sweater. Now, do you want to just start very slowly streaming that in, like as slow as physically possible? Stream that in. Keep going. There we go. Great. Stream it in. I'm just going to keep on whisking. Keep going. A little more. A little more. So, you know, the sauce is very temperamental. It's a temperamental sauce. It has a lot of attitude. It's, you know, it's a complainy sauce. You know, short-tempered. Switch the wrist. Keep on whisking up. There we go. Almost looks like mayonnaise. A little bit. Whoa, okay, I'm making a mess.
Yeah.
Here we go. All right, let's take off the heat for a second so we could whisk it more. Now look at that sauce. Not
I love
grainy.
the color.
Little English muffins are ready.
Ooh.
Gonna plop them down right on there. So we're gonna place our turkey right here. Let's grab our poached eggs. We are going to place our poached eggs right on here. Looking beautiful. Then a little salt bay action right into there. A little freshly cracked pepper. Give that one last whisk. Do you wanna grab like a little spatula from somewhere?
Yeah.
Here we go. Woo, looking good. Hollandaise is a stressful sauce. If you want to have a relaxing Sunday morning, don't make hollandaise. Okay, we're gonna take the sauce and just drizzle it all over there. Ooh! Wow. And wow. Ooh!
So professional.
Now, a little bit of cayenne just for the top. Here we go. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. Bon appetit! You have Eggs Benedict made from scratch with a non-grainy sauce. Alrighty, shall we try?
Yeah.
You'll take that half, I'll take this half. Oh, I'm actually really pumped to eat this.
So good.
Cheers
Cheers
to correctly made Eggs Benedict. Oh yeah.
Wow. You did that.
We did. Do I have egg all over my face?
No,
No,
it's on this
just on the
one.
lip.
Wow.
That's delicious. You know,
I really learned.
when you do Eggs Benedict correctly, it's a delicious breakfast. Isn't that sauce like really nice and thick?
Really
luscious.
thick.
Delicious. If you want the recipe, you can find it on Bernath.com.
Yes.
What should they do? They should like,
And comment.
comment, subscribe, hit the bell notifications. You're notified
Thumbs
when I
up.
post videos. Thumbs it up. I have food in my mouth, I'm being told. Saving it for later. And pre-order 18 Eats the World, available everywhere books are sold on 18eatstheworld.com. Cheers. You want more?
Yes, I actually do.
She does.